Hey YouTubies, how's it going? Tonight we are having Domino's pizza, Supreme. I've never had Domino's before, so hopefully this is going to be good. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Hopefully. I should have brought plates.
Yeah.
Didn't think about it until just now.
Yeah, just get something, put them in the car.
Yeah, that's what I was actually thinking. Let you get your first slice. So hopefully this is good. Oh. Whoa.
You're ready to lose your...
Want some? No. Ah! Mmm. So how you guys doing? Good, I hope.
Yep, we're in Sedalia, Missouri, watching the traffic go by.
Yeah. So people watching for traffic watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a Domino delivery truck.
Vehicle.
Yeah. Not bad. We're used to Casey's pizza. So this is definitely a little bit different. Casey's always has the toppings under the cheese. This has the toppings on.
That's where he's going.
I'm gonna deliver a pizza.
I didn't know. There is a way to get out right there.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought it went around the thing.
Oh, okay. I got you. It's nice out today, but man, it's hot. It's 96 degrees right now. It's got, like it might have pepperoni, Canadian bacon, mushrooms, green peppers, sausage, black olives, and banana peppers. I think it's got, did I say onions?
Yeah.
Okay. And of course cheese and sauce. Not bad for trying it for a first time. Well, I don't think so, at least. What do you think? Oh my goodness, he's not picking on me. For those of you
hungry and stuffed in my face.
For those of you that are new to my channel, this is my hubby, Anthony.
Black soy butt.
Ow. Smart carp. Me.
And this is my redhead.
We do the slug bug thing. He usually gets me. Almost always gets me. Like, what was the highest amount you got me on one time? Like 20 something?
The highest amount was over 100.
No, I meant in one day.
Yeah.
There was not no 100 in one day.
Yeah, it was.
No.
Because you got to hurry a couple of times and called ones that weren't.
Oh, well, yeah, in that case. But I mean, as far as actual cars. Yeah, because we have a thing. If we call it and it's not a slug bug, you get whacked 10 times. I got whacked a couple times. 10 times plus. Got a little zealous.
And then my favorite one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
That would be me trying to get him. And you learn to count. Hush. This is our last meal for a little while. And we're going to be going on a 2 to 3 week fast. This is sort of a detox
Should
cleanse.
probably be eating something tomorrow, knowing her.
No. Got my drinks ready. and everything, my vitamins, all that kind of stuff. To fasting. trying to lose weight and cleanse and all that kind of stuff. So this is our last meal. For our last meal, had to be something yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, I prefer Casey's pizza, I think, but it's not bad for something different.
I know I prefer Casey's.
And this way we can say we tried it.
Now the worst thing is she's been saying Godfathers for the last couple of weeks. So I thought we were going to Godfathers.
I had it mixed up. I didn't realize it was going to be Domino's. It was going to be Godfathers. Come find out there's no Godfathers in the area. But you get like maybe frozen someplace or something. But no. That's the hard part about where we live. There's like nothing here. Well, in the town we live in, I should say.
Yeah, we got to go to a different town to get something.
The only things we actually have in the town we live in, which is Warsaw, Missouri, is Sonic, McDonald's, Subway, and that Mexican restaurant, which I don't know what it is, but it's not a chain.
Well, they got Pepsi. I'm not Pepsi. Pizza Hut. But after
Oh,
I had
yeah.
Pizza Hut, I don't think I ever want one again.
I forgot. I don't even think about Pizza Hut because, yeah, when he was in the hospital, what, 6-8 months ago, something like that, we ordered Pizza Hut, thinking, oh, that'd be good, because we didn't get a chance to finish eating before he had to go to the hospital. Worst pizza ever. We actually didn't finish even half of the pizza. It got all thrown out because it was so nasty. They've changed their recipe or something. It wasn't good.
Yeah, we got used to Casey's, so.
Yeah. So we've not been back to Pizza Hut since then, and I don't plan to go back to Pizza Hut. No offense to all you guys that are die-hard Pizza Hut fans. We prefer Casey's. Yeah, even Casey's, the crust is different. Yeah, slug bug.
Yep.
Ah,
Slug bug
no.
gold.
That was my call.
You didn't call it.
I couldn't tell if it was a slug bug or not. It looked like it's a convertible.
It is a slug bug convertible. One of the new models.
So I didn't know for sure if it was a slug bug or not. Should have asked you. I should have just called it and paid for it if it wasn't.
It's a Mustang. It's a truck. You get kind of doofy sometimes.
You make me doofy.
Oof, you're goofy.
First thing is, I'm getting full.
I know.
One size, and I'm full.
That's why we didn't order a large.
Yeah, we only ordered a medium.
Well, we gotta get cat food too.
You gonna eat it?
Why would I do that?
Snuggles doesn't even eat it.
I'm supposed to give it to the chickens the next day.
I do. I'm saying, in general, she doesn't eat it except the gravy. Strangest cat ever. get her canned cat food. Any brand I've ever gotten her, she won't eat the actual cat food. She'll just eat the gravy off of it. Ugh. She's too darn picky.
Mm-hmm.
Wish it'd cool down.
Still 96.
It's flying here still. Yep. We're about to eat some of this down before we actually do our fast.
Mm-hmm.
That's the freeze part of it.
You gotta eat half of it. You only got 3 slices to go.
I got full on 1 slice.
Get a red one.
Huh?
Get a red one.
Oh, motorcycle.
No, Vespa. Deadpool.
Oh. Didn't know what you was talking about. I was like, what? Dang-a-ling.
Ling-a-ding.
Are you done for now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I think we're going to head out. That's all we got through. We got full. So, we'll have the rest later. Anywho, catch you guys later. Hey, behave yourself.
I am.
You don't know how.
Yeah, I do. I know how to misbehave.
Yeah, I know. And I don't know how to get this box. Here, close it. Make yourself useful. Thank you. Alright, we're heading out. I'll catch you guys later. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. And we will catch you again soon.
And if you want, give notes on how she can make yourself useful.
Excuse me?
Anything will work. I mean,
What?
just don't make it complicated because it'll be overwhelming for her.
Make myself useful?
Yeah!
Excuse me?
You need to make yourself useful.
I'm gonna make myself useful by smacking you.
You don't do it the right way.
Ha ha ha. Anywho, catch you guys later. Bye bye.